Welcome back to ShopTalk. This week, we're navigating to success and exploring effective pricing strategies for your auto repair shop. Finding the right pricing strategy is essential for both attracting customers and maintaining a profitable business. Striking the perfect balance between competitive pricing and profitability is a delicate art that can set your auto repair shop apart from the competition. In today's video, we will explore a few effective pricing strategies to keep your auto repair business running smoothly. Cost plus pricing. One of the most straightforward pricing models is cost plus pricing. Calculate all your costs, including labor, parts, overhead, and desired profit margin. Add these together and you have your service price. While this method ensures profitability, it's crucial to regularly review and adjust your costs to remain competitive in the market. Market-oriented pricing. Stay informed about your competitors' pricing to ensure your rates are in line with the market. While you don't have to match every price, being aware of the average rates in your area can help you position your services competitively. Additionally, focus on what sets your shop apart, whether it's exceptional service, faster turnaround, or specialized expertise, and consider adjusting your pricing accordingly. Value-based pricing. Highlight the unique value your auto repair shop provides. If you offer top-notch customer service, use high-quality parts, or have certified technicians, communicate these aspects to justify a premium price. Customers are often willing to pay more for a service they perceive as superior. Bundle pricing. Consider bundling services to create attractive packages for customers. Bundling can increase the perceived value and encourage customers to choose your shop for multiple services. This strategy not only boosts sales, but also enhances customer satisfaction. Dynamic pricing. Embrace the flexibility of dynamic pricing, adjusting rates based on factors such as demand, seasonality, or promotional events. Offering discounts during slow periods or for specific services can help attract customers when business is slower, ensuring a steady stream of income throughout the year. Customer loyalty programs. Rewarding loyal customers with special discounts, exclusive offers, or a point-based system can foster long-term relationships. Not only does this strategy encourage repeat business, but also helps create a loyal customer base that can serve as advocates for your shop. Transparent pricing. Build trust with your customers by adopting transparent pricing. Clearly communicate your rates for common services and provide detailed estimates for more extensive repairs. Transparency fosters customer confidence and can lead to positive reviews and referrals. Finding the right pricing strategy for your auto repair shop requires a thoughtful approach that considers both competition and profitability. Regularly evaluate your costs, stay informed about market trends, and leverage your unique value proposition to set your shop apart. By implementing these effective pricing strategies, you can steer your auto repair business towards success. Want more Shop Talk? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other social media platforms for more free content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.